Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super exciting, the Xookz App Store. I am installing it on my iOS 17.7.1, running iPhone. Search, jailbreak iOS 17.7.1 Xookz.com. Head into the page that I am selecting here. Let's install Redensa Jailbreak with Xookz App Store. Hit the download button. First, Xookz App Store will be installed on your iPhone. Then open the Xookz app and select Redensa Jailbreak. You will see the Redensa app in iTerminal. Now, open the Redensa app and tap on Install Apps. I will install the HackSnow Jailbreak with Redensa 4 that go to Jailbreak Solutions. Copy the code of HackSnow. Go back to the home screen, open iTerminal. And enter the command install. Paste the code you just copied. The HackSnow is successfully installed on the device. Open the app and start the jailbreak by starting now. Now you can select a package manager to get jailbreak features like tweaks, themes and much more. To show you how it works, I am installing Cilio with this. With a sleek new interface, faster performance, and even more powerful features, Cilio 2 is here to take your jailbreaking experience to the next level. So, let's jump in and see what makes Cilio 2 a game changer for iOS tweaks and apps. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on future videos. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Stay awesome.